Grover? What are you doing here? What's with your legs? We don't have time to explain that. What? Is that Percy and his mom? Grover, what's going on? I'm not getting in the car until you tell me what's going on. Fine. Let me get dressed and pack a bag, and I'll be out in a minute. Okay, Grover, let's go. And you better explain everything. Do you mind telling me where we're going? Upstate New York. Why are we going to upstate New York? Grover, you need to explain what's going on. First of all, starting with all of that. Well, from the waist down, our best friend is a donkey. What do you mean a goat? Satyr. What do you mean, like those myths Mr. Brunner was teaching us? Percy, what lays in fruit basket? Stop talking, Mr. Jackson. I'll leave you two alone for an hour. What was that noise? I mean the Lord of the Dead is after Percy. After me too? Why would he be after me? What is that noise? You guys smell ozone? Percy, you okay? Miss Jackson? Grover? Oh God, Grover. Percy, come on. Come on, Percy. Help me get Grover out of here.